Hey guys, we're back playing Fortnite Algo. We're play some Fortnite Algo, yay! So make sure guys to like and subscribe, and yeah, we're gonna play some Algo. Six. This is how you play Fortnite. This is how you play Fortnite. So we are gonna go play some Fortnite. Hope you guys can subscribe. And we are going. As you can see, Joey Rude 2017 has joined the party because of his lobby. Yeah, guys. We are going free. I hate that. Look at that screen. Oh, we missed it. I was going to show you, but I forgot. Hello, noob. Hello, noob. Hold on a minute. Something going on here. Stop shooting me! That's it. I'm done. Die. He's already dead. He wouldn't have been dead by now. We're gonna go to deep. No, no. Mommy mall. I don't like mall. Who wants to go to mommy mall? Let's go loot. I feel like loot is the best place to go. So. It's been 2 minutes since I've been recording. Okay, we're gonna go over here. I bet we can go over here. Don't touch it. There you go. I don't want to touch it. My keybinds have been changed. I'm just kidding. Nobody has my account. I changed it on purpose. Drink it. Gotta drink it. You never know when you need a drink. You never know when you need a drink. Some food. Get a drink. And slurp. I gotta slurp. I gotta slurp juice. Slurp. Slurp, 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 slurp. Okay, I got banana skin because I'm peely. I'm peeling my banana peel. Where are we going now? I don't know where we're going. We're going somewhere. Has bad loot here. Why is it called Loot Lake, bro? If it was Loot Lake, and they say there's best here, it's actually bad loot because it's not Loot Lake. It's not really Loot Lake, bro. It's Loot Lake. We're going Loot Lake. Did you hear that? I wonder what it was. It was a bad guy shooting people. Oh, let's go! Compact! And why did I do that? Guys, can you believe this? Sniper 2? Oh my goodness! This is the best loot that you can ever have in your life. And a slurp juice. Should we take it or no? Let's take it. Take, drink it, slurp, slurp. Slurp juice, Kryptonite desire, my heart's on fire. If I snipe somebody right now, that'd be awesome. Just imagine, just imagine, just imagine, just imagine, just imagine. Just imagine if I got a kill right now. Oh, look what I just. Why can I move my? That's weird. That was very weird. Very rarely weird. Rare. Very rare. What am I looking for? Miniguns are okay, I guess. Grab that. Can you grab it? This is happening again. Stop it. Make it. It's boring. Let's go! Fortnite is the best thing ever. So we're gonna stay on this. We're gonna go out of here. We're gonna get out of here. And we're gonna go somewhere else, maybe. You never know, for a change, we need to go somewhere else. Deagle! Trade that out with that boy. Okay. Boy. Some metal brick. Metal and some brick. Break. Jump. Let's go. 100. Oh! Me and Jackson are going to be recording a video, I think, today after school. He comes back from school because I don't have school today for some reason. I'm not in the same exact class. Same school, but not the same class. Oh my. Oh my god! Did I just get this on camera? I think I just got that on camera. Oh my god, I just got that on camera. I just got that on camera. I actually just got the best snipe in the world on camera. Oh my gosh. That was just amazing. First kill of the day. Let's go. That was even a snipe. Holy crow. Goodness, that was... Guys, I even got that on camera. If I get a win on this video, and guys, this video actually ends on, like, it just randomly ends. I gotta upgrade my record because it only lasts for 15 minutes, and if this ends, it's okay. 12 minutes left. So if this video automatically ends, make sure to like and subscribe. What the frick? How can you not see me right now, bro? Okay, guys. I'm just weirded out. This is very weird. Well, guys, it doesn't really matter, but that is really weird. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And bye. Oh wait, before we say bye, I'm gonna make more videos with Jackson today, and yeah, so like, subscribe, and bye.